But we've got a really big announcement to share with you.
Something really made us to really announce today. We've been working hard on it.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. We are here.
So since starting the podcast,
we've been working very hard on it. And from last 2 weeks, we're working hard on it. Something special for you.
So a bigger collaboration, another collaboration. We've come together to bring you
a free masterclass on menopause 360-degree approach on 11th of July at 8 p.m.
So we really wanted to take your feedback and comments since we launched the podcast really seriously. And that's why we recorded the episode on menopause and mental health coming out on Wednesday. But then we also felt like you needed more support.
Yes, doing workshops for the communities since last year. Every woman is struggling with low symptoms and there is no solution. And the solution is a 360-degree approach to menopause to really improve the quality of your life and really rise through the menopause. And that's what we are here for.
So we took our relationship to another level and we're bringing it to you collaboratively to support you through these changes, especially as I myself have been going through this and shared some of them, but come and learn more intimately how it's actually been affecting me and how Vidpa can help you.
Yeah, and all the symptoms, more than 80 symptoms of menopause.
So we'll be covering everything.
We'll be covering.
See you there.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.